Today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste scenes out of one Google video project into another one. In our project, you were supposed to do a separate Google Vids project for each of your recordings. For example, you were supposed to do your camera recording, like type in vids.new and do your camera recording. When you were done with that, you were supposed to open a new tab and do another vids.new for your audio recording. And when you were done with that, open another vids.new for each of your screen recordings. So you should have done a vids.new 5 separate times. But if you didn't do that and you ended up putting all of them in the same storyline like you see here in just one project, okay, there is a way to fix it by just simply copying and pasting. So I'm going to show that to you now. You're going to open a new tab, and in that new tab, you're going to type in vids.new and just click blank vid. Let me put this down. All right. Now you have a blank scene going on right here. So you're going to choose it. And what you're going to do, you're going to come back to your other one. And let's say it's the camera recording you want to get. You click it and do Control C, and then just come over here, choose the scene you want it in, and do Control V. And now it puts it. You can just skip this, okay? Or apply. So it doesn't matter, okay? But you'll notice it put it in another scene, so you might want to go and delete this one, okay? Then press play and make sure it's working. And if you hear the sound and everything, you can come up here and say camera recording, or you can call it tour or whatever it was. Okay. Then you're done with that one. You are not putting anything else in here. All right. Now you're going to have to go do another vids.new. Okay. And blank vid and come back over here and say, hey, I think this was our screen recording about Skyward. So you're going to click on the scene and do Control C, come over here and do Control V. Okay. And then delete the other scene, just click it and press backspace. But with these ones, you'll notice it also had a separate audio to it. So you have to copy and paste its audio as well. Control C, Control V, okay? All right, and notice if it puts it in the wrong place, just grab it and bring it under, okay? And now you can come up here and say whatever this one was, Skyward screen recording, okay? Now you're done with that one, okay? So that's what you're gonna keep doing. Then, and you have 2 more screen recordings to do. They all have to be separate in their own vids.new, okay? We'll do one more just for me to show you. Vids.new, blank project or blank vid, and we need to go and get our audio recording. So remember, you have to do each one separate. You got to grab the scene and Control C and Control V in here, okay? Delete the blank scene, okay? And then you also, though, have to come over and get the audio from it down here. Click it, Control C, and click the scene, Control V, okay? Once you do Control V, you can put it back where it goes like this, and now you have your audio done. We'll call it like audio interview, okay? So this is the way to separate them all out if you accidentally put them all in the same project.